You can see behind me I got a bunch of this stuff milled and went and bought some maple and some walnut. But let's get on with the video. Here trying to get these milled.
I can probably
at a small mill.
stand this on the edge and put a straight edge on there, and then I can mill the rest of it. If that's going to work for you. You know, if I cut it down.
Check that out, folks. Beautiful. Yeah, the densest wood in the United States.
Did you really?
Yeah. Yeah, cut that in half. Is the oil leak getting worse?
Just got bad.
So we have the first big one is an elm slab that I had to cut the sides off because this mill wasn't wide enough. That's the widest it could do. And then the stuff next to it and the banded up is some maple they got from a local college. Here's some of the mesquite. Really nice. Love the look of it. To me, it looks a lot like mesquite, which the mesquite is right there to the right of it. Mesquite looks darker, but it's because the walnut looks darker because of the mesquite just got milled. The walnut's been milled a while, so it looks darker. But all those 4 or 5 are real thin, just offcuts mainly of the mesquite. And after that, we got I took a couple of small Osage Orange limbs to get milled. And next to that is the corners we cut off those big elm slabs. They're got a lot of burl on them. Here's the actual mesquite slabs that I'll probably use to make a coffee table. Make it a river coffee table. Cut the ends off them, and they'll be buck matched. They came off the same log. I'm gonna see how wide I can get it. I'd like to keep it, 20 by 48 for a coffee table, but I don't think they're quite 12. But they're 2¼ inches thick, so probably end up with like a 2-inch slab thickness. It's got a little bit of softwood, but if I'm going to put epoxy on it, it'll harden it. And here's the other slabs that I got. We cut the ends off of them and straightened them out. Those are 2 book match too. These is all the stuff I can make new stuff out of, or you can buy them. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.